guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I have a super quick trick for you. So, did you ever think of upping your DTF transfers, making them a little bit different than everybody else's by adding other specialty types of heat transfer with them? So you can add things like glitter, HTV. I have a couple of different options here for you. So you can knock out, you can separate your designs. Here's the thing I have figured out. If you want to make sure that your transfers don't get like, see how this one, it like pulled up some of the transfer. So here is the trick. I'm going to show you this because I've tried it a couple of different ways and I just want to show you how to do it so that you get perfect transfers. We have to have our heat press warmed up to about 320 for 20 seconds. Now, I did this previously on a shirt and it came out pretty well. However, there are some areas that came up when I put the HTV down. So with this shirt, I actually put the DTF down first, let it cool, and then put the HTV down, and that required another 20 seconds. However, when I pulled the backing or the carrier sheet off of the HTV, it pulled some of the areas of the DTF off. So I actually think what should be done is to put the HTV down first. Now, if you are looking for how to do the knockout portion of this, if you are looking for how to separate your designs, if you are looking for how to keep them all sized, I have different tutorials on all of that stuff across all of my channels. I will link to all of those in the description below. See you soon.